What's up, print fam? Welcome back to Heat Transfer Warehouse. Today I thought I'd show you a little bit of their warehouse facility here in Fargo. They've got a few different locations, but I'll just walk you around and show you what we got. So this is where they keep all of their core blanks as well as all of the extra heat press inventory. So they've got a lot of stock. They were out of stock for a long time because of just the shipping shortages. But they've got tons here, plus a couple of shipping containers in the parking lot. So this is mainly presses and empty cores. So this is the much cooler section of the warehouse. They've kind of acquired different sections in different times, so they've expanded as needed. But they've got all of the heat transfer inventory as well as their stock rhinestones and stock blanks in this section here. So super easy, super organized. You can see that they just have rows and rows of material. And then over here we've got the shipping section where they've got one of those fancy tape dispensers. They pick all the orders in these blue bins and then put them down here on the conveyor to get shipped out. Over on this other section, we've got a couple of converters. So the two yellow things on the right, those are converters. So those will take master rolls, like a 50-yard roll of heat transfer material, and cut it down to different lengths. And then I always get this name butchered, but it's a futba cutter that will do straight cuts of media. So you can cut down like a 24-inch roll down to 12-inch rolls. So this is my favorite part of the warehouse. They've got the Canon Colorado. They've got an Epson sublimation printer. They've got awesome team members here working on custom orders, so you can order custom transfers and stuff from them. And then over here, they've got some rhinestone machines. So you can actually order stock rhinestones, or they will do custom orders. I'll switch to the other one. So I hope you enjoyed this little behind the scenes of what goes on at Heat Transfer Warehouse. They've got multiple locations to fulfill orders all over the country. So make sure you check them out. Thanks to them for having me out to be able to see their facility, get to understand and know them better. And if you guys have questions, let me know down in the comments. I can get them over to them directly. Thank you, Cam, for getting the videos. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.